Hello everyone, this is Arshi. Welcome to our class Teaching Expert 0217. 0217 it is our code, so don't forget this. Student जब भी आप हमारे चैनल को YouTube पे सर्च करें तो Teaching Expert 0217 डालना ना भूलें. Students, we were discussing a poem. In the first class we were discussing a poem funny looking. Now in this session we will continue this poem, but सेशन को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को ही प्रेस करें ताकि मेरे वीडियो की अपडेट आपको इसी तरह से मिलती रहे. तो चलिए फिर हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. In the first stanza, what we understood that this poem is about a boy who is not a good looking, and the moment he was taken birth, everyone started laugh on him. Everyone he was you can say that he was insulting by everyone because of his looks, because he was not a good looking boy. Now we'll continue this poem. Now in the fourth stanza, being quite truthful, indeed brutally frank, they turn off the camera when I go to a bank. The first time I visited a psychiatrist, ouch, she insisted lie face down on the couch. Now, how rude the psychiatrist is, means who is psychiatrist? What is the meaning of psychiatrist? Psychiatrist का मतलब क्या होता है? Who treats who was mentally ill, then go to the psychiatrist. जो mentally बीमार होते हैं तो वो कहाँ जाते हैं? साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास जाते हैं. यहाँ पे और ब्यूटली फ्रैंक मतलब ऑनेस्टली वो एक बात बोल रहा है कि जब वो बैंक गया, ठीक है, तो वो कहाँ, वहाँ पे जब बैंक गया तो वहाँ पे बैंक वालों ने क्या किया? कैमरा टर्न कर लिया. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज लुक्स, बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट अ गुड लुकिंग बॉय. सो दे सेड दैट एंड दे टर्न द कैमरा व्हेन ही गोज टू द बैंक. हाउ ही वॉज इन डिप्रेशन, कितना वो डिप्रेशन में था. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई विजिटेड अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट, आउच. नाउ ही वॉज इन डिप्रेशन, so he decided to go to the psychiatrist because he was in depression. अब उतना वो डिप्रेस हो गया था. why? because everyone was insulting him, was insulting him by for his looks. सब लोग उसका मजाक बना रहे थे. so he decided to go to the psychiatrist for his treatment. वो बहुत ज़्यादा, you can say that he was in depression. हम इसका एग्जाम्पल एक अच्छा ले सकते हैं कि अभी हम लोगों ने सुशांत राजपूत के बारे में देखा, बहुत कुछ सुना कि उसने ही कमिटेड सुसाइड. वाई? बिकॉज ही वॉज इन डिप्रेशन. वो डिप्रेशन में था इसीलिए उसने क्या किया? सुसाइड कर लिया. सो द सिचुएशन इज सेम हियर टू दिस बॉय दैट ही वॉज इन डिप्रेशन एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू गो टू द साइकियाट्रिस्ट. शी इंसिस्टेड आई लाई फेस डाउन ऑन द काउच. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो साइकियाट्रिस्ट होती है, जो ट्रीटमेंट करती है जो मेंटली बीमार होते हैं, उसने क्या इंसिस्ट किया? उसने क्या उसको फोर्सफुली कहा. उसने क्या किया कि तुम अपना फेस जो है वो नीचे कर लो. वाई? बिकॉज शी ऑल्सो वांटेड टू इंसल्ट दैट बॉय फॉर हिज लुक्स. वो भी उसको क्या कर रही थी? लुक्स इंसल्ट करना चाहती थी क्योंकि वो बहुत बुरा दिखता था. ही वॉज सो वियर्ड, ही वॉज सो अगली बॉय, सो एवरी वन वॉज इंसल्टिंग हिम. सो how rude and what kind of situation he has faced. You can say that he has faced lots of problem, he has faced so many things in his life. But in the fifth stanza, but I made it to college and earned a bachelor's degree, then completed a master's and PhD. I am the owner and president of a large company where lots of good looking people work for me. Now the situation is changed here. The boy is compared to his past to the present. To the present. अब वो अपने पास्ट को प्रेजेंट से क्या कर रहा है? कंपेयर कर रहा है. नाउ ही इज सेइंग दैट but I made it to college and earned a bachelor's degree. Now he realized that okay, I am not a good looking boy, I am not a handsome guy, but he realized that he has the power of knowledge. So he decided to earn a degree. He decided to earn a bachelor's degree and he decided to become a successful man in his life. So he realized that okay, I accept that I am not good looking, but I have the power of knowledge, and by these things I can achieve lots of things in my life. तो अब यहाँ पे उसने क्या सोचा, उसने सोचा कि वो उसने कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया, उसने बैचलर की डिग्री मतलब उसने बीए पास किया, देन कंप्लीटेड अ मास्टर्स एंड पीएचडी, उसके बाद उसने मास्टर्स मतलब एमए कंप्लीट किया, फिर उसने पीएचडी किया. I am the owner and president of a large company. Now in the present time that this boy is the owner of a and president of a large company. अब वो बहुत बड़ी कंपनी का क्या बन गया, ऑनर और मालिक बन गया. Where lots of good looking people work for me. This is the very important line of this poem, where lots of good looking people work for me, means to say that the boy is wanted to say that if you have the power of knowledge you can achieve lots of things in your life. Means in the past time everyone started laughing on him, why? Because of his looks. But in the present time he is the president, he is the owner of a large company where lots of good looking, the person who is a very good looking, who is a very handsome, worked under him, worked for him. जो भी बच्चा, जो गुड लुकिंग पर्सन थे, जो भी हैंडसम पर्सन थे, आज वो उस लड़के के अंडर काम कर रहे हैं. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज नॉलेज, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज achievement, because of his success. So in this stanza the boy earned lots of degree, the boy became very successful by using his power of knowledge, by using his skill, and everyone worked under for him. So I wanted to say something to all of you, that your looks doesn't matter in your life. Okay, it matters something sometimes, but your look doesn't matter. If you have the power of knowledge you can achieve so many things in your life. So know your know your skill, and so in the last stanza, so if you don't like the image you see in your mirror, here's the message that couldn't any clearer. Don't worry young people, just hit the books, cause what you know gets you further than how you look. Now in the last stanza the poet gives a message to the reader, means he wanted to convey a message to us, that इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक द इमेज यू सी इन योर मिरर, मतलब अगर आप अपने मिरर में अपना इमेज, अपने आप को देख रहे हैं, अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है, हियर इज़ द मैसेज दैट कुडंट बी एनी क्लियरर. हियर इज़ द मैसेज टू ऑल ऑफ अस. हियर इज़ द पोएट्स गिव्स अ मैसेज टू द रीडर दैट डोंट वरी यंग पीपल, जस्ट हिट द बुक्स. बोल रहा है कि आप लोग परेशान मत होइए. जो हम ये यहाँ पे यंग पीपल हम लोगों को बोला जा रहा है, रीडर्स को बोला जा रहा है कि आप परेशान मत होइए. अगर आप अच्छे नहीं दिखते हैं तो इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. काउज वाट यू नो गेट्स यू फर्दर देन हाउ यू लुक. बस just hit the books, means to say the poet wanted to convey a message that your looks doesn't matter in your life. Just use the power of knowledge, just use your knowledge in the right direction. Now you can achieve so many things in your life. So in this poem, from this poem what we learned thus, that we learned that there are two things. We learned the first of all that your look doesn't matter in your life. If you have the power, what is important, your knowledge is power. The theme of the poem is the knowledge is power. Your knowledge is power. If you have the power of knowledge you can achieve so many things in your life. You can become a successful person in your life. So your look doesn't matter in your life. And the second one thing is that if a person who is not a good looking, so we should not make fun of them. We should not use those kind of word that was hurting them. So we should not use those kind of words. Okay. And second one is what we should understand the knowledge of power, and your looks doesn't matter in your life. So I hope आपको ये सेशन पसंद आया होगा. सेशन पसंद आया तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें. Thanks for watching my video.